Welcome to the 12th session of Atal FDP. I welcome our esteemed speaker, Dr. Ganesh Raj, SE Tangenko. The title of his talk is Green Buildings, Innovation and Opportunities. Dr. Ganesh Jairaj is also a superintendent engineer, Udanguri Project, Tangenko, Chennai. He is a chairman of Institution of Engineers India, Tiruvallur Local Center. He is a joint secretary of Engineering Council of India and district chairman, Dialysis and Cantor, Lions Club International District. Sir, I welcome you to the workshop and I would kindly request you to follow through the session.
Thank you,
Over to
madam.
you, sir.
Thank you, madam, for the very good introduction about me, for the nice introduction about me. Good afternoon to all, respected coordinators. Madam, can you able to hear me?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes,
Good
sir, we are
afternoon.
able to hear you.
I think there is a network issue. I'll check on sir and I'll come back.
Are coming up in the entire world. So the energy demand, the energy, US energy demand, it consumes 51% of built environment, and transportation 27%, and industry it's only 22%. Built environment is unavoidable, but we can reduce the consumption because most two-thirds of the life of our human being are being in the house only. So we need to curtail the built environment consumption. Then only we can able to reduce the carbon emission. The problems. What are the problems available? Heat and coal. It is consuming 38%. Food and water 19%. Light and 18%. Appliances 13%. Others 12%. These are all the problems we have to curtail. US energy, built environment 51%, residential 22, commercial 17, operations also we need energy efficiency, energy required for operation 39%. Materials, for production of materials, we are we have to incur energy of 12%. While launching the Green Building, US Green Building Council in November 2007, the climate change is the single largest opportunity for this country since the mobilization of World War II. It was the slogan at the time for launching the IGBC. As CO2 increases, what will happen? The CO2 billion tons of CO2 emissions, a billion tons per year is emitted on various conditions. In the previous slides, we have seen the concentration also increases day by day. The red is the worst condition, and the yellow mark is we can able to tolerate, but we cannot sustain that one. See, now we are at 385 parts per million. At the rate of 2.5 points per particles per million is annually increasing carbon concentration. What will happen at the end of 2035? It will we reach 450 ppm CO2. So that will trigger potentially irreversible glacial melt and sea level rise out of humanity's control. It will go out of control if the same carbon emission is continued, increasing at the rate of 2.5 ppm annually. We will be meeting the 450 ppm at the year 2035 itself. See, we are in the danger zone. Now we are in the yellow mark. We have created awareness, and we must mitigate the situation. Every year, Greenland 5 meters sea level is rising, and sea melting of ice is continued in the Arctic. See, this threatening the ocean conveyor belt. This is the heat release to atmosphere. Actually, the cold and saline water will go down, and the heat and warm water will flow against we can see the flow. Ocean is still. It's not so. It is moving always. Wherever the warm water is flowing, it will go like that direction, and heat will be released to the atmosphere. It's a great threatening to the environment, and glaciers will melt if it continues in the ocean. Agreed. We must mitigate carbon 2 emission. We must reduce the carbon emission. Global temperature has to be controlled. Then only we can able to control the climate change. The first country that will be entirely lost to rising sea levels in Kiribati. The low-lying Pacific nation of the Kiribati is negotiating to buy land in Fiji, so it can relocate Icelanders under. So this is the situation. If the sea water is continuously rising, so most of the land will go inside the sea. This is the challenge we are going to be faced in the 2030. Zero carbon neutral by 2030. We should all work together and reduce the carbon emission. What is green building? Green building is one which uses less water, optimizes natural resources, that is locally available material used for the construction within 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers like that, and conserve natural resources. We should minimize the use of fossil fuels, coal and natural gas to be, since it is a very limited source available right now, so we have to be very carefully utilize the natural resources, generates less water. We should actually 97.5% of water is surrounded by the world, and 2.5% of potable water is available, and that too 30% of is available in the glacier, and only 0.4% is available for surface water. So we need to be very careful in using the surface water, and we have to be very precious. We should treat us as precious material, and we should be very cautious in handling the water. Healthier space for people as compared to conventional building. The conventional building is nothing but we have to already I told you that 2/3 of our life is always in the house. So the working atmosphere and the house should be the working space, moving space should be very comfortable to the occupants and well-being of the occupants. While commencing the 2001 green building, 2,000 square feet, 20,000 square feet is initially planned in the Hyderabad. This is the first green building constructed at Hyderabad. Now, more than 5,000 registered projects are available all over the India, and 7 billion square feet is already constructed in India. What is green? Energy efficiency, recyclable products we are using. What is green? These are all natural, non-recyclable. These are we have wind sources, use of renewable energy, use of water efficiency. This leads to a sustainable development. Harnessing solar is India is most sun dry area, so we can use the solar panels and utilize the opportunity of sunlight. Built environment, as we seen earlier, built environment contributes 51% carbon dioxide emission. Built environment consumes 76% of energy what we produce. 31% of carbon dioxide from residential buildings are coming out in the operation. 75% residential is emission in O&M also. Only 25% materials during construction. Carbon credits, building designs to sustain environment. Engineers have 90% role to sustain. Green buildings, carbon emission, energy consumption, burning of waste. The carbon emission is coming out from the following actions: burning of waste, coal-fired power, DG power, material manufacturing, burnt clay bricks, appliances, geyser, TV, gas stove, computer, air conditioning, refrigeration, water management, garbage, sewage, water recycling. In the consumption of water, we used to think about recycle, reuse, and reduce the consumption of water. Civil engineer is most commonly used. We are more concerned about the strength of the building, but architect is designing the structure in such a way that they can think about the green building concepts. These are all glasses, double webbed glasses. It will reflect and sunlight will come inside the building. Materials we used for green building versus recycle, reusable, reduce the materials. We should be very careful in using the materials. Standby mode consumes 150 megawatts, million watts every day. We are not switching off the computer while we are not using it, the computer. But the standby mode consumes 150 million watts every day. Solar, these are all zero carbon emission. Solar, wind, tidal, wave. These are all, it will not emit any carbon, but we should go for the alternative method. Recycle, trash, wastewater. Indian culture is sustainable. Reduce or say no to non-veg. Laundromat, solar heating, energy efficient appliances, and lighting. Lighting, we should go for LED and CFL bulb. We should use incandescent bulbs. Residential buildings from the carbon emission is coming from cooking gas, air cooling, natural light and ventilation, solar heating, energy efficient appliances, recycle and trash treated water. We can recycle the water and we can use it. Materials also we can recycle and reuse. Simple living, small distances we should go by walking only or cycling, and we should select the working space adjacent to our living area so that we can save the transportation costs. These are the definition given in the Green Building Council. Initial steps. The first green building in India is the platinum rated green building outside US. This is the Swarabji building. Go down. Yes, madam. Yes, okay. Previous slide, madam. Previous slide. Previous slide. Yes, thank you. The green building rating system focused on the following areas we are concentrating. IGBC whole building approach is sustainability by recognizing performance in 5 key areas. These are all given in the previous slide also. Sustainable sites, water efficiency, energy and atmosphere, material resources, indoor environmental quality. These are the 5, we are focusing on the 5 areas to make the building as a green building, and to make the our main aim is to consume energy efficiency and water efficiency in the building, and also indoor environmental quality to be well-being of the occupants. Next slide. Next, madam. Rainwater harvesting. Now we have started doing in all over India rainwater concept. Next one. This is Meenakshi Amman Temple, Madurai. It was constructed in 1000 years back itself. We have the knowledge of rain conserving the water in the rooftop. In the temple, it is available right now. Also, it is available in the ancient rainwater drain pipe is available, and they stored this rainwater. Yes, ma'am. Water efficiency, low flow fixtures are available right now in the market. 6 liters per minute, taps fitted with aerators. Low flush fixtures, 3 to 6 liters per flush, dual flush. Small in size but big in savings of water. These are all right now. Market is available only in the low flow fixtures are available in the market, but slightly costly. But these are all the we have to install in the green building. Yes. Next one. Material resources. Material resources are the main concern. We have to select a good material. Recycle construction and demolition waste can also be utilized in the new building. Recycled content, regionally manufactured. The locally available materials can be utilized for construction. And certified wood is available it is certified by the forest department, and we can use it for construction. Next one. As I said earlier, indoor air quality depends upon the volatile organic compound usually used in the walls and floorings, polishing, adhesives, sealants. It is the trademark available. We should check the low volatile compound, organic compound for the painting and other appliances. Applications we should select. Indoor environmental quality. These are all. Next one. Next. Low emitting materials. It should emit low volatile. Ventilation should be there. Otherwise, dampness will create the indoor and will spoil the health of the occupants. Thermal comfort, daylight and views. At least the main focus hall and other things to be kept 8 hours per day. Ventilation should be there, and daylight should come inside the building. Causes of poor indoor air quality, poor ventilation, outdoor air quality impurities, purely insulated building envelope, smoking, use of toxic building materials, use of high volatile compound based paints for walls, dampness and water intrusion will severely damage the walls of the building. Use of volatile based cleaning agents, poor lighting, furniture, poor lighting should be avoided, floor coverings, carpets, carpeting of floor, poor pollution controls during construction, damaging existing vegetation, trees, poor site planning management, using pesticides should be avoided. Yes. Yes, madam. These are all locally available. Flooring material, eucalyptus, bamboos, we can utilize for the construction. It is renewable also. We can use it for 10 years and we can replace it again. It will have replacement cost will be very less compared to the transportation and other things by the some other material. Yes. Now we should use bamboos. Bamboos is having a very tensile stress property. So they are right now small construction. Now we tried with bamboo construction also in the building constructions. Small slabs and other things. They have started using it. It is available in the net also. Yes, yes, madam. Next, madam. For small distance, you should have select for walking. Next one. Cycling also we should practice. Yes. Next one. Next, madam. This is a heat island effect of roof vegetation. We have to reduce the carbon emission and heat radiated from the building. Roof vegetation is the best idea. We should keep the roof vegetation and China mosaic tiles or broken tiles should be used in the pavement, and we can reduce the cost of construction also. These are all vermicomposting. Kitchen waste we have to segregate, and we can manufacture and we can produce gas, natural gas, and we can prepare very good manure to the indoor plants and other rooftop gardens also. Yes. Energy saving CFL and T5. Replacement of incandescent lamps with high energy efficiency lamps. T5, this is T5 is a LED lamp, uses less energy than a T8, 12%. T5 uses 45% less energy than T12 tube, but the illumination is the same. The lighting power will be the same. Only the quality of the LED and CFL bulbs. Yes. LED lighting for the future. 100% LED should be utilized in the green works. Star rated equipment should be used in all equipments in the buildings. Star rated, we have at least 3-star rated equipment should be utilized in the buildings. Next one. Next one. Cross ventilation is the important concept that we should adopt. All rooms should have at least 3 openings. Then only we can have a good air quality. And this room does not having only two entrance, 1 or 2 ways. So this should be avoided. At least we should provide one more window here. Then we can have a cross ventilation in all the rooms. These are all simple things, but we need to adopt in the green buildings. Then only we can able to save energy and water in the well-being of the occupants. These are a waste management. It has to be segregated at source itself. green is the waste and dry waste, e-waste, and it has to be segregated in corporation municipal authorities, and we should help the municipal authorities in transporting the waste materials to the landfill, and we should reduce the we should segregate the source. These are all construction materials. We can classify it and reuse it again. You should not throw it again. Yes. We can monitor the revenue generated from the sale of recyclable waste also. Small bottles, small size, and other things we can also use it. Materials with recycled content: aluminum frame, cement, fly ash bricks, glass, steel, tiles, gypsum, ceiling, MDF. These are all can be recycled. Cannot be thrown away. Reuse of materials. We can use the tire and China mosaic tiles and other broken tiles. We can use it for pavements and other things. That way we can reduce the cost of construction and the salvage materials. These are all salvage materials. We can reuse it again for any purpose. Yes. Nigeria uses waste plastic bottles. These are all innovative ideas. We should go for without wasting the material, and we can go for new ideas. Yes. Yes, madam. Harnessing daylight. The entire at least 8 to 10 hours, we should harness the sunlight inside our building. Then only the occupant will feel free enough. Concept of sun pipe. These are all now we are implementing in the new green buildings. These are all sun pipe available without any heat. We can transfer it. Yes, ma'am. The view from the exterior, it's it interior. It will be only this much. Heat will not come. Next, you can see it, madam. Next. The polycarbonated dome with the two deflection panels are sloping against each other will reflect the sunlight and will transmit to the floors. Yes. These are the concept. Even in the midday, you will not feel any heat here. It will, while reflecting, it will all dissipate, and the heat will be dissipated, and there will be transferred only light to the indoor. Again, the same concept, light pipes only. Office fitted with filled with sunlight. We can avoid zero electricity in this office. These are cable cables, not required much lighting, but we can even then we can have a sun pipe like this, natural sunlight sun pipe. We can save energy. Emitting daylight from one special optical stop transmitting to the spaces. The system is usually successful, especially deep spaces such as large office buildings, made up of in three parts: collector, transmitter, and distributor. Yes, ma'am. These are all position of the light pipes. It's about 10 to 15,000 only cost, madam. We can install in the any factory building. We can install it. Okay. Sustainability. Even in the selection of site itself, we should not disturb the environment locally available in the site. Outdoor microclimate, stormwater management, erosion control, ecosystem, alternative transportation. We should the building should be located within 800 from the main community area. Yes, madam. Next, madam. Next, madam. Madam, next. Madam, next.
Sir, I did native plant spices is there slide, present slide. Hello, sir.
Madam, next, madam.
Still next?
Next, madam. Next slide, madam.
Yeah, making, sir. This one? Sir, now it is
Not
coming
audible, madam.
as
Not audible.
12 air purifying indoor
Yes.
plants.
These are all indoor plants. We can have 12 these are all indoor plants for the indoor air purifying quality. These are, we can have it in our bedroom or lobby and other things to purify the air. Next one. Next one. In the late 80s, NASA studied these plants are also all-rounder for air filtering. What is green building? Rainwater harvesting. We have it is already taught in the more than 1,000 years back. We have practiced it. Next one. Next madam. Usage of locally available material. These are all stone columns. They utilized for the construction of the building. These are all mud flooring, mud roof. We used it here. These are all Ramnagar one are created as designed such a way that they used the locally available material. These are all mud walls and small the locally available materials they constructed. Yes, ma'am. These are all vertical forming. This will also enhance the quality of the air inside the building and it will reduce the heat island effect in the surrounding area. Next one. Next one. Efficient building envelope. Previously we have thick walls so that the outdoor climate and inside the climate will be having a difference of 1 degree centigrade. So in the olden buildings we used to have thick walls. Yes. Daylight harvesting. These are all now we are practicing like this. Indoor dome we are having and we are harnessing the daylight in the up to 8 to 10 hours in the daytime. Yes. Yes, madam. We should have connected to the environment. Then only the occupants will feel free and have a pleasant of mind to work with this. So these are all Chettinad houses we used to construct thousands of years back. All houses will have a courtyard like this, and the rooms will be in the all around the building. So the water is collected inside the building, and it will keep natural AC to all the rooms. Terrace landscape also we should design like this, water elements. Swimming pool to be considered in the terrace. This is the Chettinad houses right now in available Karaikudi, Tamil Nadu. The water collected in the center of the building will create a pleasant atmosphere to the occupants. These are all Karaikudi houses. It has 1,000 windows are there. These are all Mysore Palace. It is also very ventilated and nice building. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Some images of green buildings. These are all Yes. This is a Raintree Hotel available in Chennai. Quality of the water of the air conditioners is processed and recycled using sewage treatment plant. The building, these are all these highly efficient solar control glasses that reduces radiations from the sunlight. They use the solar control glasses. They used it and transported. They reduce more than 25% of the energy. More than 10 buildings available in Chennai right now, madam. These are unnecessary building. These are also 75% more than the consumption. These are all new new secretariat building. Now it is a super specialty hospital. It is also one of the green building concept. World Bank also. These are all building consume 20 to 30% less energy than the conventional building. Olympia Tech Park. Express Avenue. It's all available in Chennai right now. Rani Institute of Employment. Shell Business also available in Chennai. These are all multi IGBC green building concept. Price and other conventional homes. The urban tree one can seniority, peace and healthier lifestyle inside the building as per the guidelines of the IGBC. Now all the countries are switched over to renewables. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now IGBC, this is the home page of the IGBC Green Building Council home page. We can see the home page. IGBC is conducting fortnightly exams for this for the aspirants, and they are charging 5,000 rupees as per exam fee, and one will be asking 110 questions, and you have to pass 85 marks in the exam. If you pass 85 marks, then you will be given a accredited professional certificate, and you can be able to certify the building in the green buildings. Yes, ma'am. These are the checklist of green homes. Green homes. What are the mandatory requirement and what are the credits? These are all the credit points. They have possible points. Sustainable design, they have given 20 points. Water conservation, they give 23 points. These are all mandatory requirement. This will not be given any point, but natural topography and vegetation, they will be given some points. Adding to the checklist, it will come about to 100. Out of 100, we have to, the accredited professional will inspect the site and give the certification to the IGBC. And based on their accredited professional certificate, they will come and inspect the building and they will give certification. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Next. These are all the certifications. Certified, if we, out of 100 points, if they get 50 to 59, it will be recognized as best practices, and like that, platinum will be given for global leadership. Yes. Green homes rating system. These are all available sustainable sites, SEZ, IGBC Green, SEZ, like that. Every booklet is there. We have to go through it and we have to study the points they have given. Yes. Electrical, entire requirement of hot water shall be met by solar energy. Dimming provisions like the lobby and common areas with digital analog and multiple screen programmable dimmer systems. And the exterior lights like facade lighting, street lighting, and landscape lighting will have timer which controls the light on the need basis. All the pumps will have a PFD and for operation. These are US, United States Green Building Council and Indian Green Building Council, GRIGA. USGBC Green Building, IGBC formed in 2000, Business Center at Hyderabad. IGBC Green Homes Rating System, replica of USGBC lead rating. This is same one and the same. Air conditioning 15 points for residential building. Solar power 20% above the same points. Material from 400 kilometers they've given. Material, all green buildings can get the materials from about 400 kilometers. Yes. This is another concept. Green rated for integrated habitat assessment. These are also building available in the states, and it is also having a rating system. Yes. Yes, ma'am. These are all again the points, credits, and the points are given in the checklist. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam. These are all points given for the credits. Everywhere mandatory requirement will be there. After that, extra additional points will be given marks. At the end of the building, energy consume energy, we can able to save energy up to 24 to 50%. Carbon to emission, we can reduce up to 30 to 39%. Water usage from %, and solid waste from 70%. Green building can reduce all these in one shot. Finally, a green building makes you happy, healthy, and more productive. Provides highest quality of indoor environment, optimizes resources, reduces wastage, reduces carbon footprints, makes building operation cost effective and energy efficient, creating win-win situation for owner, occupants, and tenants. Natural capital exchange. Thank you. Yes. It makes economic sense. It makes sense for our plant. It makes sense for our future. Thank you. Go green. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful session. Now I would like to request the participants if they have any query.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
shall I make one announcement, madam?
Sir, sure, sir.
By seeing, yes, madam. Actually, the participants can give your ideas. If you are implementing any one of the ideas that is for energy saving of green energy, energy saving or water savings and implemented in your house, or any other, if you implement it in your house, you can give it in our writing, or make a small video to us, 1 or 2 seconds, but up to 5 seconds you can go. We are pleased to give award the participants 1,000 rupees per head, at least for 5 persons from the IEA India through local sector. Madam?
So that is a wonderful gesture, sir, to promote the idea of green building. I think participants will be very
Yes,
happy and
madam.
they
It
will
should
come
be
forward.
implemented so that it will create an awareness to the public and also make involvement of the participants, madam.
Right, sir. Definitely. I think now participants are highly enthusiastic now to share some of their innovative ideas on green buildings. Now, sir, we have one question in the chat box. It says, can low or medium earning group person who lives in urban area implement green building? If yes, then which points will consider and implement? medium earning group if they can afford green buildings.
Processing
Can
cost of recycled building materials are very high. No,
It will go
no.
with a delay to sir.
Processing will not require, madam. In the initial itself, if you segregate the wastages at house itself, now all the corporations are insisting for wet waste separate and dry waste and e-waste. Everything they segregated. They were keeping for they have separate bins for the collecting the waste. So nothing is. We are avoiding the landfill and we can reduce the wastages. We can the kitchen waste can be used for production of a natural gas, and we can use it for the for the plants in the rooftop gardens.
one more question, sir. Recycling
Yes,
of treated sewage can be used?
details of the
Recycling of treated sewage can be used?
yes, madam. Dubai and other South Africa and other Western countries, they are using for seawater, grey water only. They recycle it and use it for flushing and car washing. Everything they are using it. Since Saudi Arabia and other thing are not having enough water, and they are recycle it and reuse it.
Sir, one more
All
thing.
buildings we get.
In that, hello, sir. Chidaranand Patli here, sir.
Yes, sir.
But in a particular apartment or any building, but treatment facility is not available. Like that,
Yes, sir.
can you provide some treatment facilities and then treated sewage can be used in the building?
Sorry, right now all major 50 to 60 apartments is there. They implemented a STP in all buildings. They are not flowing away since they don't have any drainage system in the township. They used to have STP only. All major builders are having the same. In all
Yes,
cities, they are following. Sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. One more question,
Yes.
sir. Sir,
Yes,
for
sir.
green building, what will be the cost per square
Already
feet?
shown in this slide, sir. 15 to 20% may be costly, sir, because if you are using this incandescent bulb, it will cost only 10 rupees. Whereas if you go for a LED lamp, then it will cost 150 or 120 rupees. So initial investment will be more. Whereas in the lifelong, you can save maintenance of the cost, sir. It will also come for years together. I have shown you a tabulation also, sir. In that, we can see the payback period, 7 to 7 years, 7 to 5 years also, you can get back the amount. What you invested more than the conventional building, you can get back it in the, we can get it in the life cycle cost. It's like a less maintenance, sir.
Question, sir. Processing cost of
Yes, madam.
recycled building materials are very high. So Prashant is asking, processing cost of recycled building materials are very high. How can we make it cost effective?
No, madam. The construction demolition waste now we are using it. Now right now we are sending it to landfill and other landfill only we are sending it. But the aggregates and other things are so many industries have come out and they are grinding it, and the small aggregates are used again for construction. Right now they are giving. In Chennai also we are having one plant. They are collecting the construction material, construction demolition waste, and they are making it again the good aggregates, and they are using it. Small, right now awareness has come, and right now so many companies are coming up, madam.
So one more question from Ashish Tiwari. He is asking, any subsidy for making green building in India?
No, right now not available, madam, but the certification will give a pride to the owner. Right now, everyone, all government buildings are considered in the green building concept, and we are ready getting the recognition. Recognition will be there. In Chennai itself, you can see more than 20 to 25 green buildings are available. It's a pride for the owner. That's all. No subsidies will be given. But
Yes,
if you are
really, it is a
installing
pride for the-
solar, you can government of Tamil Nadu is giving 20% and central government is giving 20%. So totally you will get 40% subsidy for installing solar.
Last one question, honorable speaker, sir, one question. Madam, can I ask a question?
Yes, yes, definitely. Go ahead.
Sir,
Sir, basically it needs a
Sir?
policy initiative on the part of technical education planners as well as school education planners also. We need to incorporate these kind of concepts right from school education, and these concepts should be taught in a comprehensive manner
it's not audible, sir.
in engineering curriculum also, sir.
So
We need a
what,
thrust on policy issues.
sir, am I audible, sir?
Madam, I think
So
my
please,
question.
kindly note my email.
Shashi sir,
I will definitely answer your questions, sir. Or
Sir, on such an important topic like green buildings, basically a more elaborate discussion even at school level education and in technical education is required, so that
Shashi sir, actually,
yes, ma'am.
sir has a major network issue.
No issue,
What sir
madam. No
is-
issue, madam.
Actually,
No issue, madam.
what sir is suggesting is he will
Yeah.
share the email ID, or maybe we can also share from our side. We'll share
No
the
issue.
email ID with the participants, and whatever queries all the participants have regarding this session can always put a mail to him, and he will be happily answering them.
Please. Thanks a lot.
Because
Thank you.
yes, network
Thanks, sir.
issue is a
No issue, madam. No
concern.
issue. Yeah, I can
Okay,
understand.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Ganesh sir, can you hear me, sir? Sir, actually, I have told the participants that I'll be sharing your email ID with them. So whatever query they had regarding this session, they will mail you the queries, and maybe, sir, you can answer according to that. Right, sir? It will be fine, sir? Sir, can you hear me?
Madam?
Ganesh sir? Yes, sir. So we will be
Hi,
concluding
madam.
our session here. Right, sir. Sir, we will share the email ID with the
Yes, madam.
participants.